Hello, I am Anthony. We are continuing the Food Manufacturing Hazard series with episode 12. Today, we are looking at racking, conveyors, pallets, what's waiting to fall on you in food manufacturing. Let us get into it. Being struck by a moving or falling object is the third largest injury category in UK food and drink manufacturing. Every year, 700 workers are struck, with 100 of those classified as major injuries. About a third of these involve objects falling from storage, like items falling from a pallet rack. If something sits above you or moves over your head, ask yourself, could it fall today? We are looking at three separate routes: racking failure, overhead conveyor failure, and unstable stacked materials. Each has different causes and warning signs. Racking and conveyors need equipment checks, while unstable stacks require better training. You must know which applies to your site. Let's start with Section 1, racking. This is the metal shelving system used to store ingredients and products above floor level. A single bay can carry a heavy load, often several meters high. Racking failure can cascade, meaning damage to one upright can bring down an entire bay. Racking fails due to overload, forklift impact, or corrosion from washdown water. Even low-speed knocks can weaken the whole frame. Missing safety clips or unauthorized modifications are critical risks. Changing beam levels without checking rated capacity can drop the frame below its safe load. Watch for warning signs: bent uprights, misaligned beams, or sagging in the middle. Report any missing clips or fresh impact marks immediately. Never climb onto racking, and never remove a safety clip. Never assume someone else has already reported damage. Report it and stay out of the area. In a real case in 2020, 2 workers died when a racking system collapsed during a load test. The companies involved were fined over £150,000. Section 2 covers overhead conveyors. These move products above head height and are common in bakery lines and dairy processing. Unlike racking, conveyors move continuously. Vibration can loosen fasteners and fixings over time, leading to falling parts or products. Conveyors fail due to poor fixing, product overhang, or belt failure. Warning signs include unusual noises like grinding or visible sagging in the frame. Check for debris buildup and damage guarding. Guards don't cause the failure, but they decide what happens to you if a failure occurs. Never walk beneath a faulty conveyor. In another case, a worker died when a corroded catwalk above a conveyor collapsed. Structural corrosion above head height often doesn't announce itself until it fails. Section 3 is stacked materials. These are pallets or crates stacked without racking, relying only on their base for support. Stacks fail due to poor technique, damaged pallets, or exceeding safe height limits. Uneven flooring is also a major risk factor. Fatalities in the UK and California highlight the danger of unstable loads. In one case, a manufacturer was fined £600,000 after a worker was trapped. When you spot a warning sign, you must act. Here is the 5-step framework to keep everyone safe. 1. Stop work. 2. Keep people out. 3. Report it immediately. 4. Do not attempt repairs. And 5. Wait for authorized help. Remember, different hazards have the same outcome if ignored. Early reporting saves lives. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the ToolboxReady HSE channel on YouTube for new safety content posted regularly. Nobody gets hurt, everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.